The major landlords in this city have never spoken to one another. Yet, by complete coincidence, they all agreed to double the rent on the exact same morning. Meet Silas. He is a carpenter who rents a small stone house. For years, the rent was always 5 silver coins. Because the landlords fiercely compete for tenants, the rent stays low. If one landlord raises his price to 10 coins, Silas will simply pack his tools and walk across the street to a landlord charging 5. This constant fear of empty rooms protects the citizens. Then, a shadowy clerk arrives in the city with a highly profitable proposition. He meets each landlord separately. For a strict percentage of their future wealth, he promises to permanently end their price wars. He tells the major landlords to stop guessing what to charge and instead secretly report their private vacancies to his master ledger every single night. To maximize his own commission, the clerk analyzes the exact number of empty rooms and calculates the absolute maximum price a worker can afford before starving. He then issues a daily command, telling all 10 landlords to raise their rent to 10 silver coins immediately. Silas packs his bags and tries to move, but the price is 10 coins at the second house. He walks to the other side of the city, but it is 10 coins at the third. The landlords never held a secret meeting in the shadows. They never shook hands. They just all paid the exact same clerk and obeyed his ledger. By moving as one single unit, they completely eliminated competition without ever breaking the law. Silas has nowhere else to go, so he empties his entire life savings and pays the 10 coins. In economics, this is called implicit collusion, a practice where competitors bypass monopoly laws by using a shared third-party system to artificially inflate prices without ever directly communicating. We see this today in the corporate housing market, where giant property owners use the exact same pricing software to simultaneously spike rent across entire cities, forcing you to pay exorbitant fees because the illusion of competition has been secretly erased.